everyone, it's Andrew Howell here from RE/MAX Sarnia Realty. And have I found your summertime retreat? 286 Laurentian Crescent in Sarnia's sought-after Twin Lakes.
We go higher to the sky, reaching out, but I can't fly. You said you'd follow me anywhere, but I can't see you. You don't even care. I wanted more than you could give me. You were afraid to see what I see. I see that this was love. I know that it ain't enough. I pray to the stars above. Won't you just hear me, God? Hear me, God.
So if you or someone you know are interested in a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home in a prestigious North Sarnia neighborhood, get a hold of me or your realtor.